Today's tutorial is a wisteria nail art design. I used Toxic Nails Lace and Leather white polish. This polish was from the November's mystery box. I applied 2 coats of this polish. This is a matte polish, but obviously my design is matte anyway, so it's not too much of a big deal. So on I put the second coat. The application of the toxic nail polishes is brilliant. I then used China Glaze That's Sure Bright, China Glaze Queen Bee, and Sienna Rose's Pretty Please. I used these 3 colours to make up my wisteria flowers. So to begin with, I use the Sienna Rose Pretty Please and start creating my wisteria flower. As you can see, I'm literally just dabbing the polish onto the nail, not in any particular way. I am just literally dabbing it in. I did have a photo that I was using as a reference. So you just build up the colour, and then with China Glaze's That's Sure Bright, I go in with that colour purple, doing exactly the same, just dabbing in between the Sienna Rose's purple, and then with the China Glaze Queen Bee, build it up again. And as you can see, you're starting to get your wisteria look. Just keep building it up and building it up till you're happy with the design. And then with China Glaze's I'm with Lifeguard, I start creating the leaves. Again, I'm just dabbing the polish onto the nail, creating a leaf effect. I'm not doing brush strokes, I'm literally dabbing to get this effect. And then I used another green polish, which was China Glaze's Kiwi Kool-Aider, just to give the leaves a bit of definition. So just keep going in, dabbing, building up your design until it looks how you want it to look. And then I go back in. Nope, I don't go back in. I use the Sienna Rose Pretty Please on the non-accent nails. I apply 2 coats of this polish. And then I finish off my design with the Barry M's matte top coat. So if you like my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching.